Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove Gmail or Google account from mobile. So first of all, open Gmail apps. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Look at the right corner, tap on profile icon. After that, scroll down. Click on manage account on this device. Select the deletable email. Look at the right corner, at the bottom right corner, tap on 2 dot, remove account, and then finally click on to remove account. Then successfully remove Gmail or Google account from mobile. So that's how you can do it.